Okay, so we're going to make this quick. Just going to do a quick unboxing. We'll see what we have here. With quite possibly the dullest knife in the world. All right. So set that aside. Take a look at the projector first. As you can see with the bubble there, you can see the lens. It's a short throw, so I should be able to get about 120 inches at 4 feet, roughly. And just be gentle here. Turn it upside down. Careful here. Bunch of Chinese, so yeah, don't know what that says. But let's look at the back. All right. Whoops, bumped the camera there. Remove the piece here, and you can see that it's 4K compatible, which just means it can take a 4K connection even though it's not a 4K projector. And so you can go 4K 60 Hertz. It has HDR in it. It's 2 HDMI cables. Has an audio out and an audio in, VGA, and USB power, which is nice. So you could just put something like a Chromecast or something hooked directly to it, so you only have one power supply. So that works. Okay. It's got this plastic on it. I'm not going to take that off just yet. All right. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like got some instructions, some batteries, got a power cable, and we got a remote. So you have multiple, you got your inputs there. That's much nicer than having to flip through hidden source until you find your connection. Be able to go directly to your connection. Got keystone controls. Okay, well, that's what we're going to have for now. This is all that was in the box. Like I said, this is an Optoma GT1080 HDR. It was the HDR is the upgraded version as of 2019, I believe. So I got this off Amazon. I will be setting it up later on and showing a video of that. But that's a quick unboxing. Thanks.